If you are unable to download or install WhatsApp Messenger from the Google Play Store, here is how to fix it easily on your Android phone. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the Play Store responds better. Next, go to Settings, then Apps, manage apps or app management depending on your phone model. Then Google Play Store. Tap Storage and then tap Clear Cache. Do the same for Google Play Services and Download Manager as well if you have one. Now open the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp again and try downloading it. If the issue continues, make sure your phone has enough storage space. Go to Settings, find Storage and free up some space if needed. Still stuck? Try downloading WhatsApp directly from the official website at www.whatsapp.com/android. It's safe and can be installed manually. And that's it. Now, one of these methods should help you fix the WhatsApp download problem. If it worked, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful fixes.